Think, Pair, Share is an incredibly flexible strategy that puts into practice a range of evidence about how learning happens in classrooms, whether in person or online. And you can do a Think, Pair, Share using Padlet. Stage 1 is Think. This is the part of the activity that happens independently. It's when the teacher sets the conditions that allows the students to think by themselves, jot down what they already know on a topic, or just reflect on their understandings for a minute. Evidence suggests that background knowledge is a major predictor of what students will learn from pretty much anything, whether they're doing online research or whether they're reading an assigned text or listening to a lesson or watching a video. What students already know on a topic is the foundation for what they will come to understand. This thinking, as I said before, should be done privately on a scrap of paper or in a private document. But what we see here is the second stage. This is the pair stage. Evidence also suggests that when students share their background knowledge or emergent questions with a peer, they build on their a priori knowledge. Remember your educational theory lessons on social constructivism? Well, this part of the process is social constructivism in action. Having jotted down their ideas privately, students who you can, assign to groups, share what they've understood, and they develop sort of common understandings that they can post to the Padlet wall. They can use a range of modes to share their common understandings. And as you can see here, they could post an image, they can post a GIF or a meme, they can post links to websites, they can post just images that they find on the internet, and of course, they can add text that shows what it is they've talked about with their partners. And then the final stage is share. When shared perspectives are presented to the whole class, students learn more. When they share to large groups, students gain valuable understandings of how their ideas fit within broader frameworks as they're considered and analyzed by others. The comments function could be enabled in Padlet to allow everybody to comment on every other pair's ideas, or if you're working in person, the Padlet wall could be projected and a full group discussion could address each of the shared insights from these groups.